If you're a PC user, you'll have something like this on your PC. We're talking about your hard disk drive. As you know, it's the device in your computer that stores all the data. Yes, that's right. The hard disk is what lets you boot your PC into Windows. But have you ever wondered what it would be like if your PC didn't have a hard disk? Think about it. Have you ever been unable to access your office PC due to hard disk failure? Let's imagine your company has 100 or even 500 PCs. Have you ever been unable to boot Windows or had your hard disk damaged or infected with a virus or spyware? Have you ever wondered if there was an alternative to installing the same program on hundreds or thousands of separate machines? I suppose you consider your hard disk to be indispensable, but it's also associated with a lot of inconvenience. When managing large corporate networks, it gets even more complicated. That's why we came up with a solution. It's called 1472 SNC. How does it work? Let me explain. The structure of a work group's like this. There are many client PCs here, and of course they are connected in a network to use the Internet. What happens if we add our new server to this? Well, we can remove or ignore all the currently installed hard disk drives and change the BIOS settings on the PCs so they boot over the network. Don't worry, it's very simple. Within 10 seconds, the PC automatically boots into Windows via the network server without a hard disk drive. Simple, isn't it? It is known as disk virtualization. So, how do users benefit from this? Well, whatever problems you might have on your PC, you can restore the original state in a second. All you need to do is reboot. If a program is installed on the disk image, it will be automatically reflected on all the other PCs. Backup and rollback are possible in various ways. You don't need to worry about delays because Windows is always clean. There are no problems with viruses, spyware, or hacking. So, how do companies benefit from this? Well, there are significant cost savings, such as a reduction in TCO, including labor costs. Reduced downtime increases business efficiency, applicability, stability, security, and performance, as well as allowing you to control and manage more easily. Well, that's cool, but I guess you've heard this all before. Maybe you've seen something like this coming out of the US or China. Well, it's just not the same. The first difference is, our product has no client loading in the server at all, even though the client relies on the server completely. A single small or medium-sized server can host 500 client work PCs. 500 units! You're surprised, right? A single server can stream full HD video to up to 250 client machines. Although the clients rely on the server for storage, all the other processing is handled locally using the client's hardware resources. The second difference is that our server is based on Linux. Despite this, there's no problem serving Windows XP, 7, and 8 in 32 or 64-bit versions to client PCs. The third difference is, you can use your current PC hardware as it is, without purchasing terminals or thin PC clients. This is why it can be installed at a very affordable price in comparison to other existing products. It's very cost-effective. The fourth difference is, it has 100% support for multimedia, such as YouTube and multitasking. Your current programs and IT infrastructure can be easily transferred and used. The fifth difference is, DB login is possible, which makes it possible to customize environments and file storage. Just imagine it! Wouldn't it be cool if this product was used in places such as companies, schools, labs, public offices, libraries, institutions, call centers, hotels, banks, hospitals, kiosk PCs, and embedded computers? Amazing, isn't it? Remember, no disk means no stress. Opening a new world. LiberoKorea.